boots in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenny. बहुत दिनों बाद like I'm making an intro for my video, like for my YouTube video. So it's gonna be a brand new video that you are watching right now, and I hope आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे और safe होंगे. So like it's a random Saturday that I thought of vlogging. So it's 6:09. I just woke up like आधा घंटा पहले, and now I'm in front of you guys recording this intro. Like it's gonna be a weekend vlog because my mama papa are here in my place, and also my sister and my brother. So yeah, we like planned a whole Saturday thing for today, like what we'll be doing, because we haven't in a while went on a day out or something. So we just planned a random day out, and yeah, that wasn't quick intro. So yeah, watch it till the end guys. And if you like haven't watched any of my videos and you are watching me via this video for the very first time, then hi, hello, namaste, namaskar, I'm Debangini.gogoi. So yeah, hope you like this video. Watch it till the end and love it guys. The getting ready scene was not shooted because I was not in a mood, as like I just created an outfit and it just looked like worse. So yeah, the outfit is not outfitting, but yet मैंने प्लान बनाया है इसलिए जाना पड़ेगा. My mom dressed better than me, sorry. Outfit check.
Watching you ain't my favorite thing to do. See you go out every night, just the way you let it lie. What you do when I'm not with you, I don't really wanna know. You can keep it on the low, cause my gut's been.
Hi guys, so हम लोग अभी रास्ते पे हैं, पहुंचे नहीं. कहाँ जा रहे हैं ये तो पता चल ही जाएगा आप लोगों को.
You got me sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach. Oh, 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 oh.
We are in Meghalaya. Yo. Hi, good yeah.
Good man.
Heaven to you, more you want the pill, cause my gut's been telling me we're probably not meant to be.
Sleeping Beauty in the crib.
speaking to me bodily. I can feel it in the way that you got me. Sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach. Oh, 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 oh. Sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach. Oh, 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 oh.
Walk into the car and you take my hand. Your hand is shaking now, but you ask me for a dance. Can I have a chance? Music's playing loud from the party outside. Yeah, left your friend alone, nervous about my plans. Yet here we stand. Oh, how I love the smell of your sage perfume. Your textured hair, leather coat, dimples too. How I like to say is I'll dance with you, but I say I love you. 'Cause the time is stands still when I'm with you. Everything inside feels real and new. Try to slow it down, but it doesn't work. Race it to the altar, get there first. My heart, it can't stop when the feeling hits. Hang the future on your kiss. Put your hand in mine and I know it's true. I close my eyes and you say I love you too. Snow is falling down, so the city's rush. Love is in the air, hours of summer. Oh, let's go for a stroll. Walking down the road, I slip and slide. Turning all around us, though we're meant to dance. You take my hand. The whole world stops as our eyes meet. Kneeling on one knee, you give me a seat. How I like to say, oh, that's so sweet. But I say, marry me.
Say hi, guys. Nah, it's more long vlog. Long vlog more.
Hi guys, welcome to Debangini channel.
Yo,
We are in
Umiam Lake,
Omyam Lake.
Pre-Bhor, Meghalaya. So we're gonna try the boating thing. Yay!
'Cause the time is stands still when I'm with you. Everything inside feels real and new. Try to slow it down, but it doesn't work. Race it to the altar, get there first. My heart, it can't stop when the feeling hits. Hang my future on your kiss. Put your hand in mine and I know it's true. I close my eyes and you say I'll marry you. Every day I'm spent with you. Love and fight, but at the end of the day we're stronger as two. Every day I'll fall for you. Laugh and cry, but at the end of the day, the time is stands still when I'm with you. Everything inside feels real and new. Try to slow it down, but it doesn't work. Race it to the altar, get there first. My heart, it can't stop when the feeling hits. Hang the future on your kiss. Put your hand in mine and I
reached room. Like अभी अभी पहुंचे हैं. It was a tiring day and I'm gonna just change and then we'll meet you all guys.